If the government achieves the socially optimal level, it does so. So, like, we have marginal social benefit here. We've already established that this is where the market will produce, right? Without incentive. So there needs to be incentive for people to buy more. And that is going to be a subsidy, because obviously a tax means that people buy less of something because it raises the price. And so you need to provide a per unit subsidy. The question is, how much of a subsidy do you need? And this part is confusing because you really have to shift this MPB graph to go up to here, which is actually P2 to P0. I know it looks like that you're going this way, but you're moving the graph up. So the cost is going to be P0 to P2, not P1 to P2, which is, I think, what a lot of people would initially assume. So you need to go P2 to P0 because you are going up.